Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you would have seen by the thumbnail guys, today we're going to be testing out Bilt Hamber's version 2 touchless. It can be applied via snow foam cannon, pump sprayer or trigger bottle. And now Bilt Hamber do recommend that you apply this between 0.5 and 2% PIR. PIR stands for panel impact ratio. So now I've mixed this Bilt Hamber touchless to a 2% PIR. I'm just going to go around the whole car and apply it via the MJJC version 3 snow foam, lads. Now Bilt Hamber recommend that you leave this to dwell for about 1 to 5 minutes, but do not allow to dry on the surface. So I went with about 4 minutes, then I rinsed off, and it rinsed off really well, effortlessly. And I know some of you watching at home might be thinking, come on Dan, this is a 23 plate car, this car is brand new, it's not going to have a lot of grime and dirt on it. But just stay tuned, now we've got a Scirocco coming up in the next couple of clips that has covered 400 miles without having a wash. So we use this Bilt Hamber on that. So we're going to start this test with a quick swipe. Took a little bit of tissue, and as you can see it is bogging. Now we're just going to go over with a jet wash, just in case people think that you could just jet wash it off. As you'll see, the Karcher K5 is not shifting it. Now we're going to go across and layer this beautiful snow foam over, and we're going to allow to dwell for about 4 minutes. So after the 4 minutes, as you'll see, this Bilt Hamber made light work of that filth. Guys, this stuff is phenomenal. This is probably, if not the best pre-wash snow foam you will buy. And another quick swipe test will reveal nothing. So guys, let me know in the comments down below if you've used this. This has blown me away. The cleaning power is phenomenal. This is going straight on the shelf, and this will be my go-to pre-wash snow foam as of now. So guys, I do appreciate you all watching. Thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing. It really does mean a lot, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.